there, welcome to another episode on Lilian's Couch. Today I have a very dear friend of mine. He is an amazing person to me and very dear to my heart, by the way, just putting it out there. He's an actor, content creator, philanthropist, activist. I can go on and on. Debo Adedayo. Thank you so much, darling, for coming on my show. I know you're meant to be on set, traveling, and then you took out time to come. I really do appreciate it.
Yes, so the people who are supposed to go meet, if they see this video now, want to know where I did. We want to know the person who sees me is Lilian.
I didn't see him. Whatever. So, how was your upbringing like?
Upbringing, very good actually. Nice. I have lovely parents, by the way.
I know.
You
love your mom very much.
Yeah. I mean, my mom, my dad, they were always on the lookout for me. You know, I know a lot of people say, "Oh, of course, that's their responsibility," but you know, it's one thing for you to be a good boy actually, and then your parents are urging you on and everything. It's another thing to be maybe naughty. I don't want to say I'll be bad guy. I don't be bad guy like that, you know. But of course, growing up, you know, even when I was in school, secondary school, to university and everything, it was kind of rough because of my personality. So the upbringing was one of love and enabling environment as a family. My dad especially brought us up in the ways of love. You know, he's a man of love.
Is that why you love me?
That's right. They worry, you know.
Is that why you
love
love
me?
me?
You
Answer the question.
My secrets now.
Is that why you love me? Is that why you're here?
Yeah, of course it's why I'm here. So, I mean, that's pretty much it.
That video that went viral where you were saying you went to like 4 universities before you got your degree, is that true? Yeah, it's true. That's what I was talking about, you know, my family and the way they were with me, they stood by me. So, and you know, I was also saying, I feel, you know, besides I'll be bad boy, but I feel get while I small. You be bad boy. You cannot fool me.
You know,
You be bad boy.
So, you know, I was 4 different universities, one issue or the other, you know, in this university.
Well, your parents not like, this boy will stop on gone.
And now people they talk and them they say, well, you know, say.
But last you still get the degree.
Last.
Nana, you can't famous. So at the end of the day, I mean, so you got the degree, so it really doesn't matter. Yeah. But then, were you not feeling some type of way, like, you know?
I was feeling some type of way because I always feel hard done, you know, like they do me strong thing. I always believe, say, look, what I'm doing when I talk for people, when I try to fight for my rights.
You don't fight for your rights, they come. You don't they talk, they put for every matter. Since there's no issue, there's no social issue where your mouth no go there inside. I mean,
well,
I'm not scared.
It's not a function of being scared or not. I believe that for every one of us, there's a factor of fear in every human being. Even if you watch film, or you go film, even when you see things where they happen normally, if bad guy, person will be saying a thief, you don't they keep people, or armed robber, or whatever, assassin, if they catch him, if they won't kill him, you see the way you go to beg for in life. Yeah, so even wicked people too, everybody they fear. So, but I think the most important thing, I say, the courage where you get to speak up for yourself and people will be around you, they pass the fear. You better make I talk. I see they pay me for body, you know, let me just express myself and let people know how I feel about certain issues and let those at the top know that these are things that you can actually correct. Nobody say we follow them fight, you know. Yeah, so it's not from a place of aggression, it's from a place of pain. Like say things where they happen, as people know, as everybody know, get quality education, get this, get that. It they pain some of us and we are just expressing it.
You shall freaky my account before you come for here. Me, I don't go pretend. You go freaky me today. Oh, there's not be that fake script where they make it. I'll freaky you. 5 million today.
You know they get the alert.
I know they get that.
Well, you always confirm in the video.
I know for the video for your fans. Real life, guys, you know freaky my account. So that 10 million naira away, you know.
The next video, you for talk am. Say as I say,
freaky for real life. I know they for that your skits. But anyways, back to since we're talking about skits, you're known for like making skits, content creation. But I can see as your friend that you've been able to differentiate skit making, you know, from like Mr. Macaroni from Debo.
Yeah.
Because even when I watched certain movies that you've been in, I can see that you try your best not to be the same Mr. Macaroni, and you know, you take on the character as an actor. How do you even do that? Because I know that's very hard.
Yeah.
And then sometimes people have issues with being stereotyped, like, you know, being put in a box, like, okay, anything we're casting for, it has to be, you know, this kind of role.
As a matter of fact, maybe I don't even take those roles.
Yeah.
When a producer approaches me and they say they want me to be the guy online, the freaky daddy, or is to share.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody sees that every other day online. So if you want me to be in your production, give me something that let them see me in a light that they've not seen me before, and as it should be, because I'm first an actor before a content creator. Now we don't as the world they grow, we they bind all these things together. You know, we they say, okay, everything is still form of art. It's still a medium of expression. But at the end of the day, for an actor, you must be able to interpret as many roles as given to you at different times. So you understand. So the characters online, and not only a freaky daddy, Professor Adlai, or the hair, as in they online, me then they for online media. But when we want to do movies, do series, other stuff, the audience too must be able to see and as an actor.
Say you feel diversify anywhere belle face, you feel entire.
Exactly.
I concur. I agree.
That's how it should be. Yeah, that's how it should be. So, and I'm saying that because I'm an actor. So even this, when people they call me comedian self, they want kind to
freaky.
Because you know I never set out to be a comedian.
Brother, I see you say for December. I will see say my friend. I will see my friend. They host here. My friend. Host. I said, what happened? My friend don't talk. I'll call you. I say I'm hosting this show. So I said, you don't talk host, don't talk comedian. But it's funny because I love the fact that right now people understand. You know, before how we used to have this mentality of you can be jack of, how do they say, jack of all trades, master of none. Yeah. But my brother, people now they do jack of all trades, master of all. So it means you can actually do so much and be good at it. Gone are those days when they say, oh, you need to focus your energy on.
Yeah, I also think it's just a matter of understanding your strength, where your strength is, and owning your space. You understand? Because okay, for those shows where I host, nobody say I try and go there to be basket mouth.
Yeah, no, just be yourself.
Basket mouth na king, na comedy genius. So we say if you stand Bovey then likes na their walk. Now their walk with that. See Bovey, and Bovey is someone that I have so much admiration.
I agree so much
with you. Admiration and respect.
And he's good. Bovey is one of the comedians I can go for a show and sit from beginning to the end.
He's an inspiration. I always tell him he's a personal inspiration to me. So. But me now, if I go, I'm not trying to be them. I'm just trying, oh, are you there? You're doing well. I just go with the flow and play with everybody there. So, it's the worry. So, now different styles. So, but then if you, like I was saying before, so when people call me a comedian now, it's shocking. Nobody say it's shocking, but I have accepted it. But I never set out to be a comedian. I'm an actor. So I want to play different roles, give me different roles. Now my work with that. But when content online media became a thing, I'm like, people they chop from this thing, I see this thing everywhere. And I was frustrated back at home. Now depression and frustration, it pushed me to online media thing. Because normally, if you met me years back, what you'll be hearing is, I want to shoot with only Afolayan. I want to, the Thespian spirit with inside me. I said, put me on stage or give me serious roles. So that's the type of actor that, look at Gabriel Afolayan hair. The way Gabriel, if you see Gabriel for film,
you do that expression, do all those strong.
You go say, see actor hair, and the kind of thing way I plan for myself. But, my teacher, Professor Yerima in school, always tell us that the world they move, and we too we must move along with the world. You understand? So as things they stop, so when online, I say, make myself enter, see what if it's up, and then.
But you said something and it's just shocking to me. You too they depressed, like you too they go through.
My dear.
Because sometimes you know how when I'm going through stuff and you know, career-wise, different things, ups and downs. You shut everybody out. You just feel like maybe not only you the good through, but when you meet your own people and they say sometimes we today, it's shocking. I'm like, okay.
No, it happens to the best of us. It happens to the best of us, all of us. Especially, I even feel more famous people. It's easier for famous people to get depressed.
I agree.
Easily, yeah. Famous people, successful people, you know, because every day you're thinking to be better. You're thinking to be better. Like that, not for outside, but as in for yourself. You want to do better. Me, as I did like this, if I drop a content today, I want the next content to be better than the previous content. You know, so the pressure. You know, your head keeps spinning. You want to create more. You want to write more. You want to feature in great productions. You know, so the pressure is real. So that's why I always talk about owning you, like doing you. Just come now, understand that you have created a brand for yourself. You have created your own space. Then work in that light. You understand? Evolve, do you as you will, but work in that light, knowing fully well that you own a space and that as a creator, your work is to keep creating. And the people is, whether there are some they will accept, there are some they will not accept. Some of my content,
right?
It's okay. Some of my content, it will be like, say, nobody there, social media again. Some other ones, everybody don't spread them. People go, they send them different places. That's life. That's it.
You get girlfriend, abi you no get girlfriend. Now yes or no question. There's no, you get girlfriend, abi you no get girlfriend. Or you can't tell me, oh, you can't answer this. This is my couch.
Girlfriend.
I'm bringing my friends on my couch. So my friends should tell me.
I don't answer. Now why you express
sure?
yourself? I no get girlfriend.
Talk as your camera. Your camera.
I don't have a girlfriend.
Hey!
I am single.
So, single. I know my friend is single, but I know he's not searching. So that I can't answer that one because I know he's not searching. He's not searching. So please, you guys should not come for him. He's a baby boy. He's not searching. Okay? So guys, we're about to go into my favorite part of this show, which is food, drinks, and vibe. So, did you just say I'm a foodie?
Yeah, you're a foodie. Everybody knows. Man.
Guys, we'll be right back. Guys, food is here. I want to dive in. Can we dive in now? What?
You know, say normally, me, I don't like food like that.
I know. Why is it that? You know, it's so funny. Most of my friends...
I like food, don't I like it?
No, but not like me. Do you understand? So most of the people I'm close to, they're not foodies like me.
You got some people with their back. Will come with me.
Nice.
You know, you look like house.
Are you? I'm Mosey, what did you do me today? I don't talk about camera.
That's one.
So quick one.
Yeah.
You say you want... that picture where you post. Say like your dream body, be something body. Wait.
The Ronaldo body goal.
You think you can achieve it?
Don't talk to me. You know that
No. I just say ask.
You know you don't believe in my dream, so don't worry.
Bro, I believe all your dream, Body one way never dream, I believe, but that Ronaldo body, bro. If you can achieve it, I told you I'll give you how many million? 10 million.
50 million. You said no.
Not 50 million. I don't talk 50 million mad.
You don't see where you're right now.
I don't talk 50 million. I said 10 million.
I will bring it out. I will post it again.
I didn't say 50 million. I said 50.
You said 50 million.
But if my brother had 50 million, even if I say 50 million,
okay.
I'll give you 50 million if you can achieve that Ronaldo body.
There are a lot of people that have said I cannot. If you know Cristiano Ronaldo, if you see his body, his six packs, everything. That's what. Don't touch me.
No, I'm just checking something.
Don't touch me. That's what I'm aspiring to, Maguire. You get it now. So, give me 1 year. After 1 year, yes.
I can even give you 2 years.
No, 1 year is fine.
Are you sure you don't want 2 years?
This time next year, you will be amazed.
How your head wants to be? You want your head too?
By this time, I will stop eating things like this. I'm only eating like this. Normally, today is my cheat day.
And that's what they tell me, cheat day. Every day is my cheat day. I cheat every day. Macaroni, when do you think you get married?
Just good. Can you give me... The
food took you.
What's wrong with you now?
The food took you. Guess what I'm using fork and knife to eat this turkey. My brother, and I saw one day when I shoot one episode, I can't use my hand. I think I can't talk, say, I'm just going to hold the tip of the meat. I told my brother, when I finish the episode, my brother can't come. Yeah, that's not classy. You can't do that. I said to this one.
Wow.
Say no, it's not classy.
So move out of this, man.
Now you be man, I mean, now this discrimination, now what do we talk? Men can do it, women cannot do it. But that's not what we're talking about. He used his hand, you won't tell him how to show that it's not classist. It's me, you need to be good, you need to be this, you need to be that.
And I don't use fork or this to eat. Even normally, you use a spoon as we use the pack.
My fork and knife from my producer will tell me I can't eat. It's not, you can't use your face.
Oh, but you hear this one, me, I know they take one, I know they.
No, they read.
I don't do this one.
You didn't answer my question, eh?
Are you okay? You know. Why is there always married now?
My brother, me, I don't live unto God. It's not even that. Me, I don't even talk and say married. My dad don't die, so the marry everybody will be alright. When God says God's time is the best, as long as I trust me, I love this whole, I love family, kids. I'm not going to lie like all those girls say I don't need a man. I need a man to love me. I don't mind. I want to be loved. I love him.
Should I propose to you?
Should you propose to me? If my future is arranged, if you make sure that our kids, how many kids do you have? I want 2, boy and girl.
I want 3.
I want 2, boy and girl. Maybe I can adopt the third one.
2 boys, 1 girl.
No, I want 1 boy, 1 girl. I mean, then if I adopt, maybe 1 boy, 2 girls. My girls will be so cute. You agree?
Why don't you just do 2 girls?
And that's something, but I'll adopt 1. So I'll 1 girl, 1, then adopt maybe this. I don't want to carry more than 2 kids, bro. I don't know if I can.
Who is your bro?
You be my bro now, my bestie, my.
Who is your bestie?
You're my bestie now. Bestie.
Don't touch me,
bro. You know what I mean? You don't want to be my bro. Guys. So is it you like me or no? Don't choke. This talking. Don't go chop. You're supposed to chop the bone for show now. She can't see me. I drink water. Oh my God, my guest is coughing.
Lilian, put the cup down.
Okay. You don't drink water. Sorry.
What's wrong?
So wait, you don't want to be my bro. I'm not fine enough to be your sis.
I'm not your bro, don't worry.
I'm not fine enough to be your sis. But wait, not be honest now, just tell me.
What? I'm not thinking about marriage for now. There's a lot going on. I don't think I'm ready for it.
Yeah. Do you know it's always good to know when you're. I think that place you are is a very sweet place to be. Just know I'm not ready, and then focus on your energy on work.
Although my mom is already applying pressure.
They will always apply pressure. Once we as Nigerians know that parenting is cliche.
Yeah.
If now when my mom just with a laugh, you too. It's not like before when it's like oh my God you're pressuring me and stuff.
I'm really a young guy.
How old are you?
28.
Even if I know your age, I want you to. Did they really tell me your age, bro? I awful. I say, I think I was older.
Go ahead.
I'm just saying. I just they talk.
Go ahead. Go tell
I just did not vibe. They say maybe vibe.
Go ahead. I'm older than you.
No.
Okay.
No, but guess what? It dawned on me last year when I clocked 30. Yeah. Bro, I'm like, what? You're 30. The thing hits me, and now then when people are like, oh, your life starts at 30. Yes, it does. But when you clock that 30, like it's just a human thing. 30, and then you now start fighting it. 30 and hard, 30 and this. But sis, you're 30. Yeah, 30 and getting it, so it's fine.
30 is good.
Yeah. But I look younger though. You think?
Absolutely.
But you say you have this baby face I like chubby and stuff. No? Oh, I'm not supposed to be touching. Oh my God, I'm on the show. Guys, we need to eat this food. So I need to call the show. Oh yeah. We have to play games. Please, just one. Please, just one.
No.
I promise I will not throw you under the bus.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. All right, guys. Now is the game time.
Sorry, I'm very hungry. I never chop since.
Make I just chop. Cut now. Make I just chop this food. I've no.
Why cut? Why make I cut? Oh,
because
wow.
my person said I can't know if they use the food.
Okay, don't cut anything. No. Make we embarrass ourselves here.
No, it's time for the game. They still have the cut now.
Okay, so I'm taking over this segment. You
why?
Get it now? Because why has a long tail?
And 2 branches. Oh my gosh! We did that in school too. Okay, cool. All right.
Okay, so I know they play the game where they want to play. I'm too old for that.
You're not too old for never have I ever.
Nah,
you're just
like,
20. Wow.
Nah, joke. Oh yeah. Now truth or dare, me, now what we do with that? Now what we use chop. Truth or dare, like.
Okay.
So, I'll dare you.
No, you can't dare. Okay, sorry. You're my guest. Sorry, it's fine.
I'll dare you.
But it has to be reasonable. Don't go.
Of course, I'm a reasonable person. So I find that an insult.
I'm sorry, no.
What do you mean has to be reasonable?
I'm so sorry, forgive me.
So you think I will give you something that does not make sense to do on for camera?
I should trust you. You won't. You will never do that.
All right. So what you're gonna do for me is simple. Let's say you're Genevieve.
Okay.
I'm Jamaica.
Okay.
So you're gonna, more like, those days when Genevieve and Jamaica they do. Like sometimes in Genevieve they chase Jamaica, not be Jamaica, they even chase Genevieve. They watch.
But these days don't change. Okay, but continue.
Oga, this we go do.
Okay.
So they chase me.
And
as
they chase
the Jima stop.
Me.
Yes.
Premium lady, premium queen.
Baby, now please now. So I no agree.
You no agree.
Wait.
Hey, this kind of game no go work for me. Where?
I no agree.
How you no go agree?
Why I go agree? You think I like you?
You like me?
So I no agree. You just vex. Now the vex make you kiss me. So I must agree.
Make I kiss you. No, I would.
There's a pattern. I did not just say kiss me. That would be unreasonable. So I use pattern.
No, answer another. I can't drink. I've been drinking since. I don't do.
If you cannot do that's the. So that's why I made it like that. That's the pattern. So if you can't do it, then you drink everything. So. Okay, don't touch me.
That's your question. Hey, should I drink?
It's easy now.
Let me just kiss peck now.
No, that's so Genevieve they do am. If that's so Genevieve they do am.
Make believe.
If that's so Genevieve they do am, she go be the queen where she be today.
We will not be kiss. We not the kiss like that for movie.
I dey chop lips for movie me. Go ask the producer where they cast me. They will tell you, Debo, we know you.
One of your lip is like this. I was wondering why it's like this. Kiss.
It's a lie.
Oh yeah, come on. Let me just kiss you. I beg, come over there.
Wow. What was the deception for? Pele. Go on. You're drinking everything.
No, just one.
Why?
Producer, it's just one.
One for what?
It's just one.
It's not one.
No.
I use a whole Jenny and Jim do symbol. You go on drink. That's disrespect to them.
Okay, let me do two.
No, you're drinking everything.
Don't do that. Please, nah.
Now, so my lips bad.
No. Guys, just two, please.
No, never. I like that face.
Shit.
Yeah, go on. Keep it going.
I'm going to ask you.
Oh, yeah?
I'm going to ask you. No, you.
You're going to ask me. You're not going to finish them.
I've done two. I'm supposed to take just one.
If you cannot do everything, give me peck. If you cannot do everything, or you...
No, you finish your dare. You can't do two questions. It's my turn. Okay, producer.
Okay.
Now I want to dare you. Yes, so I dare you to freaking my account to 10 million naira.
Come on, babe. That's too easy.
It's too easy.
What? That's an insult. Now that's the only insult I've received on this.
Oh God, cannot do.
Me? 10 million naira.
Free money today.
Oga, put account number here for me.
My account, please, can somebody call my account number for me?
Put the account number.
God knows if I don't see that 10 million,
I just sent you 10 million naira.
I never put your account number. This kind of scam. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. I love you all. Thank you so much, Debo, for coming on my show. I really, really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Please keep being a good boy that you are.
Okay.
Let me give you that peck you want. Mwah. All right, bye. Bye.